Okay, hi, let's tackle some long division questions on level D maths. Right, so when you have a question like this, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, can 81 go into 4? No. Can 81 go into 45? No, it cannot, it's still small. Can 81 go into 457? Yes. So what you have to do is ignore these for now. Okay, and then we're going to work with 457 into 81. So if you can remember from your back-to-back methods, so when we see two digits like this, what we can do is cover the ones. Now all you can see is 8 and 45. Okay, so then you ask yourself, how many times can 8 go into 45? I have that as 5. So I put my 5 here. So that gives me the estimate of 5. Then you times it down. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 8, 40. Okay. And you do your subtraction. That gives me 2 there and 5. Okay. So we have to start all over again. This is when we bring down only one at a time. We're going to bring down the 8 and then start all over again. So let's do our back-to-back. You cover the 1 there, cover the 8 there. So now we see just 8 and 52. So that gives us the estimate. Okay. So how many times can 8 go into 52? I have that as 6. You write your 6 there. You times it down. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 8, 48. And you do your subtraction. Okay. That's 2. And that's 4. Okay. And at this point, you bring down the next number, which is 9. You bring down the 9 down here and start all over again. 81 into 49. You do your back-to-back method and you cover the ones. You see 8 and 42. So how many times can 8 go into 42? I have it as 5. You write your 5 there. You times it down. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. And then you subtract. So your remainder is 24. So that's your answer there. I hope this helps. Thank you.